guys, it's Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. In this video, I wanted to show you how to add a YouTube video to your Shopify store. Dwell time, which is the time spent on your website, counts towards your SEO, which can improve your position in Google and can help you get to Google page 1 and get more free traffic. So the longer people spend on your website is much better for your conversion rate, for your SEO and sales. And videos are perfect for keeping people on your website because obviously if they keep watching video, if your video is 3 minutes long, it means that they spend 3 minutes or up to 3 minutes. Obviously they don't have to watch the full video. Sometimes they watch only the beginning. However, it all counts towards your dwell time and improves your SEO. Just remember that the video you add to Shopify needs to open in your store. So even if it's a YouTube video, make sure that the link opens on your website and not sends visitors to YouTube, because it won't count towards your SEO. So now I will show you how to add a YouTube video to your Shopify store and to make sure it opens on your website, improves your SEO and conversion rate. Let's get started. Welcome to Rock Paper Copy, best place for Shopify store owners to learn about SEO, getting traffic and sales. Now let's add YouTube video to our homepage. First of all, log into your Shopify store and in admin under online store themes, click to customize the theme of your choice. As it opens in a new tab, let's add YouTube element. So scroll down, add section and search for video. As you can see, it's here, so click it and select. Now the next step is to insert a link to your YouTube video. So obviously your video needs to be already on YouTube. So let's go to YouTube and I will use one of my latest videos here. Simply click share, copy the link, and it's easy as that. Simply paste it here under the video link. Make sure that it displays correctly. You can obviously change the text here, so you can see and it's easy as that. If you're happy with it, simply click save. Now let's preview the theme. And the video displays right here, so if I click it, as you can see, it plays on a website, which is perfect. If you love this video, smash the like button now and subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular Shopify and SEO tips. Now check those two videos recommended for you here to watch next to learn about running a successful online business, driving free traffic and sales. I'll speak with you soon. Bye bye!